Listen, I'm 51, I've lived a life. I know trends come and go. So when the crop top showed up, like the broad top crop top showed up, what, 2 years ago? I was like, I wore that. You know, I remember being 16 and I walked around in bras and my mom said, you're not leaving the house like that. But it disappeared. Like a year later, it was all big and baggy, or it was like graphic tees. Like it came and it went. Now that crop top showed up again, what? 2 years ago? 2 years ago, the crop top made its way back in, and everyone was wearing crop tops, including my teenage daughters, and I said, you're not leaving the house like that. But the problem is, it's not going anywhere. And then the real problem is, that's all there is. Like when I go shopping, it's a crop top. What am I supposed to wear? I'm 51 years old. This stomach is a 51-year-old stomach that had 3 babies inside of it. So this, I think, is a good compromise. Like a little peek at the stomach, peekaboo, but it's not a crop top. Anyways, the sweater is aloe. I actually love aloe more for their, I don't know what to call it, streetwear? Is streetwear the word? Aloe has great this kind of stuff. So this is an aloe sweater, which I think is fun and gorgeous. And then these pants. I have these pants in every single, these are black, this is black if you can't tell because the camera. I have them in navy, I have them in tan, and I will continue to buy them in every single color. This is a brand called Blue Salt Malibu. I live in Malibu, it's a store in Malibu, but they do have an online store, and I will link these for you. So you don't have to show your whole belly to get dressed anymore, because I'm doing the work for us. I am out there scouring things that are not crop tops. Hi, and bye.